So I'm going to go over what muscles I just went over with the head and neck model. I'm going to show you which of those muscles you can identify from the full body muscular model that we have in lab. So this one should be pretty obvious. This is our frontalis. Okay, so frontalis, epicranial aponeurosis, and then occipitalis back here around the above the occipital bone. Over here, this muscle that fans out and covers the temporal bone, the temporalis. So frontalis over the frontal bone, epicranial aponeurosis, occipitalis, temporalis. Okay. Next muscles that you're able to identify on this head and neck: Orbicularis oculi. Orbicularis oculi. You can identify the Orbicularis oris. You can see on both sides the depressor anguli oris right here. So the depressor anguli oris, it's labeled number 7 right here. You can see the zygomaticus major. It's labeled number 5. You can see the masseter. You can even see that on both sides. So masseter. You can see the zygomaticus major over here. You can even see the buccinator. And I actually think this model shows the buccinator a little bit better because you can really see how the buccinator runs lengthwise of the cheeks, like crossways like this, whereas the masseter goes up and down. So this would be buccinator. So you can identify those muscles. You can also identify this muscle, which comes down from the mastoid process area, sternum, clavicle. This is the sternocleidomastoid. You can even see that on this side as well. So sternocleidomastoid. All right. Let's see. Right here. So if this is the trapezius of the left side. This would be the trapezius of the right side. Now remember, with the model that I showed you in the previous video, we could only see maybe this much of the trapezius, but it's this huge muscle right here. So trapezius, the right trapezius, this would be the left trapezius. Right here, sandwiched in between the sternocleidomastoid and the trapezius, if we could remove these two muscles, we would see it a lot better. But this is part of the splenius capitis. And you can actually see it very well on this side. It's labeled number 13. This would be a portion of the splenius capitis as well. Splenius capitis. And those are the same muscles I went over in the last video, which ones you could identify on this full body model as well.